Look at this. This is a very nice and magnificent structure. You can look at this. Thousands of miles start from a foot. Construction exercise is one of the best achievements in life. Work for your destiny daily. You will get there. See, this is, yes, it's under construction. So I don't really know what is holding you back. If you are expecting to achieve something of 20, 50, 500 million, thousands of miles start from a foot. Don't worry, don't be panicked. Checking Gmmakons live global. But at Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, a lot of Facebook private pages. Yes, we have inner circle, which we educate stage by stage, level by levels. Yes, you can check us at Oshere location, Google location. Yes, Gmmakons engage himself with series of things because of the dark mood. So if you fail to plan for your future today, future will deny you. Don't worry, don't panic. No matter what people say, no matter their consignment, don't worry. Stay firm. You will get there. Success is your key. See you there. Bye bye. Gmmakons. Check at gmmakons.www.com. You can also check at mebukura.com. Pinterest. We are global. See you. Bye bye.